Part winding is the least expensive of all methods of reduced starts. This type can only be used with part winding motors, which have two sets of identical windings. These windings are intended to be used in parallel. Most dual voltage motors, but not all, can be used as part winding as long as the lower voltage is used. The circuit used to control these starts is rather simple. Once the start is pushed, the M1 contactor closes and places the line voltage across one of the two identical coils. Once the time delay occurs, the other coil is brought online by the turning on of contactor M2. M1 acts as the starting contactor, while M2 acts as the accelerating contactor. Note that each of the windings in the parallel connections have their own overload protection. As you can see, the voltage is not reduced in this starting method. However, the inrush current is reduced to about 65% to 48%. The reason being that when only one set of windings is connected, less current is drawn because the resistance of the single winding is larger than the resistance of both windings when they are in parallel. Therefore, this starting method is also grouped as a reduced voltage start. One disadvantage of this method is that it is not suited for high inertia loads or loads requiring a long starting period. In fact, if this motor start is longer than 5 seconds, it will overheat. The standard time for the acceleration step set by the timer is between 1 and 1.5 seconds.